from oak and pine with hands so keen, in a workshop built from dreams, crafting wonders unseen, serene TARDIS cabinets where time redeems. In the heart of Wales, where legends lie, tools in hand I carve and ply, with patience long beneath the sky, echoes of a doctor time's a lie. In my humble shop, where moments pause, craft and care defy the laws, every cabinet a world, because TARDIS cabinets. Applause, applause, applause. With every chisel, saw and plane, stories old and new I gain. In each grain of wood there's no disdain, tall tales told through fingers strain. From every nail to bracket tight, with lamp aglow through long twilight, building realms both day and night. TARDIS cabinets, a craftsman's might. In my humble shop, where moments pause, craft and care defy the laws, every cabinet a world, because TARDIS cabinets. Applause, 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 applause. In my humble shop, where moments pause, craft and care defy the laws, every cabinet a world, because TARDIS cabinets. Applause, applause, applause.